Here we're going to review what we talked about in the lab about bluebeam and how that relates to the midterm assignment. Okay, so on the main menu we're going to go ahead and pick draw a line, and the line command is located right here, and I scroll into the floor plan area. So I'm using my roller button and I scroll. Where I put my mouse is where I zoom in. Create my line. I'm going to pick the points, approximate midpoints. Line command again. Your menu may vary. And remember, if you want to hold your line vertical, you use your shift key. If I hold my shift key, this holds this parallel in an orthographic fashion. Then my shift key again, one more line. Use the shift key, make it look nice. And that is the first part of the assignment, which is to draw a red line to highlight the fire separation wall. Next, we're going to annotate the note into a yellow rectangle. And put that around the note. And then we right click and go to the properties. Here our color is going to be yellow, and our fill color will also be yellow, and the fill opacity will be reduced to 30%. This gives you the outline with some yellow background and the correct answer for the midterm. Okay, the next question has to do with the dimensions, and what we do is we'll create the dimensions first, and then for your midterm you add those up and tell me how many lineal feet is in the firewall. So right now we're going to demonstrate how to do dimensions and then change the text of the dimension to black. So we remember, to create the dimension, we go to the Tools tab, Measure, Length, and we select 2 points. And remember, if you want it more accurately, hold down your Shift key, and it's going to be orthogonal. We then adjust the dimension. We're going to move it over a little bit using the arrow keys. We then right-click on the dimension and go to the properties, and we're going to make the text color black. Alright, so we have to scroll down. Maybe on my screen, I'm using my laptop, change the text color to black, and then I do that for each dimension. Alright, so another thing I wanted to mention to you, in the lab I had you highlight the walls using the line command. We also have another command called the highlight command, which we may use at some point. It's your option if you'd like to use the highlight command for this midterm assignment. That is okay. And so the highlight acts as a little highlighting marker. If you change the color to red, you can change the line width. I'm going to say 9 points is the line width. And then you use this as if you'd use a highlight marker. And once again, if you use the Shift key, it makes your line very straight. So that is a demonstration of our first time in the lab using bluebeam. Thank you very much, and we will see you next Friday.